Hey, Travi, what are you doing here? Huh? Nothing! Nothing! Don't turn on the fan! Whatever you do, please don't turn on the fan! What? Turn on the fan? Okay. No! Ah! Ah! Help! Ah! Help! Ah! Travi, and today I'm live from Timeout. The Timeout shout out. Yay!
What you doing up there, Travi?
Nothing! I'm being quiet. God, I'm in timeout. My nose is against the wall. Anyway, shout out to Juan Gonzalez, that crazy family HD, Soul Bernie, Falco Sokolowski, Happy Family 104, 1004 that is, Remy Michelle, Facil Jewel, John Churchill 77, Jeff Mata, You Camman, Melissa MJ Jimenez, Mugen, I-55, Rohil and a Ruth, and more to come. Yay! I hate being a timeout. I hate you. God.
I hear you, Travi. I hear you up there. You want me to bring the belt?
What? You dummy head. I hate timeout. Oh, hey guys, what's up? More shout outs from Timeout. To Shay Young, to Fluffy Jet Productions, to Donut Monkey Gaming, to Leah Baker, to Chili Tube, Yusuf Hag, Maurice Davis, Mangual One, and that's all. Robert and William and my cousin Bernie, the puppet Bernie, my friend, my cousin, yeah. And that's all.
I hear you up there. I'm coming with the belt.
What? Gah! I'm not. I have my nose in the wall. I hate you. You dummy. You dummy head. You dummy head. Hate you. Gah!
That's it. I'm coming with the belt.
What? God, no, I'm sorry. I was just playing. Bye.